Hello, my name is Fomefitme and this is my channel. Yes! Okay, so today we're going to try out some lip colors from Milani. Milani is a drugstore product. Their lip colors I've been hearing gist. Their lip colors are mad. So okay, well, let me see the madness in the lip color. Okay, so I love lining my lips. What's the shade? I'm trying out the Milani Nude and it's in color Covet number 19. So I love putting my foundations at the back of my palm, any cream product at the back of my palm, or if I have my tray close by, I put them there. I have a disposable lip brush. You need to use a disposable lip brush so that you don't contaminate the lip products. So I'm just going to apply the nude. Oh my goodness. I love it already. Wow. Mado. Me too, I'll join them. I'm saying Mado. Oh my goodness, I love it. It has a bit of soft and gothic look. Wow. So this Milani lipstick, this matte lipstick, the smell is very nice. You know, there are some lip products you just open and your tongue will start turning you. This one is not like that. The smell is soothing, it's nice, and it's thick. Yes, it's thick. I love it. I love it. Can you see? It's not cracking. What dupe is it for? You know, it's a drugstore product. Let's know the dupe in the upscale brands. This is really nice. Can you see it's going matte already? It is going matte, guys. It's not gumming together. There's some matte lipstick you put it on your lips in less than 1 minute when to just crack. Can you see? And it's kissable, guys. It's a kissable lipstick. It's not transferable. You can kiss your hubby with it. It will transfer to his lips. Don't go and buy transferable lipstick. Kiss your hubby with this one. All right. See you in the next video.